What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hey, big announcement. The Discord basic access is free for the next 24 hours. The link is in the top of the comments as well as in the description. For the next 24 hours, invite your friends. Free access, free basic access to the chat rooms. Links in the description and in the bio. So let's hop into BTC. Continuing to push up. We love to see it. We are currently in a Bitcoin long trade, which is in some juicy profits. We're sitting at 29.2K. We're up 3% on the day. We're seeing a market up 532 billion. 24-hour volume 17.92 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So a couple scenarios. This could, due to this impulsive spike here, it could be a wave 3. So let me grab my brush. Oh, what the... Yo, Kim, I'm making crypto video right now.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'll call you later.
Okay, but please do, because I'm having like a mental breakdown.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Sorry about that. One of my friends from TO having a pretty tough day. So Jack swooped in, cheered her right up. All right. So we're going to continue with the analysis here. So a potentially this is a wave 3, pull back in a wave 4, and then push up in one more higher high before seeing that large wave 2 pullback and potentially retesting this falling wedge. So the max retracement for that would be the 50%. At 27.8K. Hey, if you're getting some value out of this video, smash the like button. And if we lose that support, then this impulse is finished and we'll look for the wave 2. But if we could just see continuation to the upside, or we pull back and we bounce, then this impulse has not completed just yet. All right, gang, so if we take a look at the daily time frame, blasted above the daily EMAs, we love to see it. We have bullish confirmation with a break of 28.4. Was it 27.4? I think it was 27.4. We were looking for bullish confirmation. We broke above that. The weekly time frame, beautifully holding the weekly EMAs. Pretty much did exactly what we said it would. It spent a week underneath the EMAs and got right back above it. And now we're breaking out. So likely on Sunday's close, we're going to print the bullish cross on the weekly, which is a bear market signal that is yet to fail, signaling the bottom is in and the bull market is starting. So I mentioned that in a lot of videos, so I'm not going to scroll back to the previous bear markets. You can check it out on your own. DXY, I think it's likely we're going to see continuation down in a wave 5. Might see a little bit of a bounce first, which will lead to the pullback for BTC. So what we're looking at from the top, that's your wave 1. Oh, that's your wave 1 down. We pulled back in a wave 2. Wave 3, ABC into a 4, and now you're looking to come down in a wave 5, so you would come down in a wave 1. Each wave has 5 smaller waves within it. Pull back in a wave 2, come down 3, 4, 5. And that would complete a wave A, because we're going to see a large correction. Push up in a B. That's when Bitcoin will probably reach 40K. We'll push up in a B. We'll see a large pullback for Bitcoin. We'll come down in a wave C, and Bitcoin will create new all-time highs. That's what I think is likely. All right, gang, so that's it pretty much for BTC. We're currently in 4 trades: Gala, Sand, BTC, ETH. They're all doing well. You can receive a 30-day free trial. Remember, the Discord is free today for basic access. It's still $10 a month for my signals and analysis, but you can receive a 30-day free trial if you sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. I got to open up Bitget again here. Make your first deposit and email me. Your sign-up email takes 2 minutes, and you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL, all plays Forex signals analysis. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Basic access is completely free with the links in the description. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's free for the next 24 hours. So take advantage and join the Discord. Tell your friends. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.